With automatic indentation, VS Code will automatically indent your Python code as you type. This lets you focus on the logic of your program instead of having to worry about indentation. Let's take a look at this in action. So first off, we have to make sure that automatic indentation is enabled, and it is controlled by the format on type setting in VS Code. So we'll open up the settings with Control comma or Command comma on Mac, and we're going to search for format on type. Now in this case, we could go and enable the setting globally, which would turn it on for all languages. So I could go and check here, and this would turn on format on type for all languages. But you can see that this setting has also been modified specifically for Python. So if I click on this, we can see that this setting has been specifically enabled for Python as well. So now we've gone and turned on format on type and ensured this setting is on for Python, which is going to enable automatic indentation. Now inside of this function, let's go and take a look at this feature in action. So I'll start by typing an if statement. So I'll say if x equals 0, then press colon, not too exciting, and I'll say print 0. Now let's say as a next step, I want to go and add another conditional. You can see that my cursor is currently indented, but rather than having to de-indent things, I can just start typing the elif. So I'll say elif, and then x equals 1, and watch what happens as soon as I type the colon here. So I'll press colon. You can see that the elif has been automatically been de-indented to line up with the if statement correctly up above. This is the automatic indentation kicking in. So now I can just press return. I can say print 1 here, press return again. And finally, let's say that I wanted to have an else statement to finish things off here. So I could just say else. Again, notice how it's incorrectly indented right now, but as soon as I type the colon, automatic indentation will go and fix the indent. And again, I can say print 2. With automatic indentation, I could focus on the logic of my code instead of having to worry about fixing up indentation. So that's automatic indentation for Python. Again, it's controlled by the format on type setting in VS Code.